how to turn on or off camera flash on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So first things first, open up the camera app. There are two ways to access the flash settings. Either you can tap on the little arrow pointing up at the top and tap on it, and there you'll find a thunderbolt like icon. Tap on it and there you'll find three options: auto, on, and flash off. So if you want to turn on the flash, just tap on. However, if you want the flash to remain off, then there is the off option right there. But if you want the flash to be turned on default, like when the lighting is bad, then tap on auto. So the camera will automatically adjust the flashlight according to the lighting of the place. Otherwise, if you don't want to do this, then there is a Thunderbolt icon on the top left corner of your screen. You just can tap on it and toggle it off and tap it on again to turn it on. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.